Hey guys, welcome back to another Total Home Renovation update.
Pretty excited. It's been a little while since we've given you guys an update, and as you can see, we've got cabinetry up. So we've made some great headway. Yeah.
Well, we did the big tiles, the four foot by 2 foot tiles. We got that in finally, and that was what we needed to get these cabinets in. And so we got the island in. They're coming Tuesday to template for the quartz.
Pretty excited about the countertops.
And the turnaround time's amazing. They're going to template Tuesday, and the following week they're going to install. So that is fantastic.
Yeah, because once counters go in, holy cow, that's a game changer for sure. It just seems so finished and polished.
Absolutely, absolutely. And so we put in a temporary sink just to get us going for the next 2 weeks or something, because we really want to get the dishwasher back, because we're doing dishes like 6 times a day. So yeah.
So we basically installed the old sink that we had.
We have a functioning kitchen right now.
Yeah, it's amazing. One of our favorite pieces is, this is where our dishwasher is, and we did a panel ready dishwasher, so it looks like a cabinet door, and it's basically our dishwasher, so it's pretty cool. Like, it just makes things look nice and sleek.
We've got the wall oven with the microwave, which
in.
was super fun to install. I'll tell you that right now. The directions are clear as mud. So you had to do a lot of figuring out on spacing, on where to put the shelves in order to support the wall oven. And I still have a few adjustments to make. Also, I've got to adjust all the doors and everything. I just want to get them up so we can see what it looks like. But there's a lot of aligning and tweaking around, which is really great thing about IKEA. And I know a lot of other cabinets do it too, is the hinges are 6-way adjustments. So front to back, side to side, and up and down, which really help you out in getting everything lined up and getting all the seams and all the cracks exactly perfect.
Yeah, I don't think a lot of people actually know that hinges are adjustable 6 ways. I know I didn't.
Well, normally it's the installer that does it anyway, so you probably don't need to know that.
But that's just a really great thing for the homeowner. If their cupboards become unaligned, they are adjustable, and you can adjust them up and down.
And drawer fronts are the same thing, especially with IKEA. Yeah. You can even move them side to side. It's incredible. Yeah,
that's pretty great. I guess some of the next steps that we're looking at is we're going to be replacing our window here at the kitchen sink. So we can't do backsplash until the window's installed, so that's going to be in the coming weeks. It's hopefully not going to take more than 10 weeks. We've been a little bit delayed on that.
Decisions.
You know, like everybody else, we want to make sure we're getting the best window at the best price. Then I guess once the island's in, Gilbert's going to install our cooktop, which is going to go right here. Pretty excited about that. And you'll install we have a prep sink at the other end of our island that's going to go in. You're going to install that.
Our island is 9 feet long, which is amazing.
Yeah, by 51. So we have a 12-inch overhang for bar stools on the other side, which makes it really fun for having people over and entertaining and extra seating.
Yep, 6-foot patio door. As you remember from a previous episode, we did find the header and the opening space for a 6-foot patio door.
So we'll be installing
So we're going to pick that up soon and get that sucker in, which means if I do that, now I have to do the deck outside. So we'll have to pause the renovations inside, go outside and do the deck.
The next step too also is we're going to be installing the rest of the flooring in the main living space. I'm pretty excited about that because that'll get us out of some of the dirt and dust.
We're living on plywood right now.
Yeah, it's been very dusty and dirty for us.
So flooring in, and then we're on trim and doors.
Yeah.
Trim and doors is going to be fun.
Yeah, and then paint.
Paint.
Trim doors, paint, lighting. Finishing the lighting, we'll have 2 pendants hanging over the island as well as our hood vent, so that'll be installed. Gilbert still does need to remove the chimney.
Yeah, just waiting for some nice weather because I do have to patch the roof as well. And then you got to take the chimney down from the top all the way down to this space where I can actually cover it with drywall again and then tape it.
Yeah. Where our fridge is located, we've got our stove still intact and plugged in, so we've been able to cook this whole time, which has been really nice. But we'll be removing that obviously and installing the fridge where it goes.
Fridge with ice maker, which is kind of cool. I've never had that before, so that's kind of neat. I'm kind of excited to get that going.
Small little things in life, eh? I'm so happy. Fridge with an ice maker. Keeping you up to date on what's going on. We've actually, just a little piece of a teaser here, I guess, if you will, is we've removed the old pantry. We called it the old pantry. It was actually the original front
Coat
door, coat closet
Yeah.
to this house. The original front door was our access into our sun porch. And when they built the sun porch, they obviously still left the coat closet, but we repurposed it while we've been here as a pantry. It housed a ton of stuff, but we no longer need it. So we've actually dismantled the entire closet, and we have a fun little surprise that we've got planned for that space. It's going to be pretty special. We're pretty
We're not
excited
telling
about
you
it.
yet.
Yeah, we're not telling you yet.
You'll see it.
Yeah, that'll be real fun. We're going to update you as we go, as promised. Once we start making some further progress, we'll show you all the new additions.
Thanks for watching.
Till next time, take care, everyone.